Welcome to the cooking channel. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to make the perfect frittata. Step 1. Take 3 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Whisk thoroughly using a fork. Season with white pepper and salt. Continue whisking thoroughly. Chop fresh Italian parsley. Add the chopped Italian parsley to the egg mix. Add freshly grated Parmesan cheese to the egg mix bowl. Take 1 mushroom and cut into thin slices. Preheat a frying pan and add olive oil. Saute mushrooms until golden brown and then cool. When cool, add to egg mixture. Heat a separate frying pan for the frittata and add olive oil. Add the egg mixture to the frying pan. Cook on a low to moderate setting. Once the edges are cooked, that's an indication that your frittata is ready to flip. When your frittata is cooked on the bottom, cut it in half. turn over 1/2 at a time. Cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Serve your frittata on a couple of pieces of toast. I hope you enjoyed this channel and this lesson, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button and turn on the notifications.